Hello and welcome to Depicter channel. In today's video, you're going to learn how to create a multi-step sign-up pop-up form like this one for your website using Depicter. Let's get going. Go to WordPress dashboard, plugins, then add new plugin. Search for Depicter. There it is. Install and activate it. In Depicter dashboard, head to create a blank, then pop-up. Name your pop-up and give it dimensions. Create pop-up. I want an image here. I had prepared one for this pop-up, which is in my vectors on the left sidebar. I'm also adding a heading text from here with a text that asks users don't have an account, then customize its appearance. I'll also add a subheading text with a text that invites the users to sign up and customize its appearance as well. Add a button. Change its text to sign up and customize it. Then I'm duplicating it and change its text to not now. And we're done with this pop-up. Click right here, then on these dots and duplicate it. Now let's go customize the new step. I'll start with deleting the image and the buttons. We'll keep the text to customize them. Grab this 100% coupon to have Depicter Pro for free and leave a comment to let everyone know. Otherwise, the Pro account will be taken away from you. Now go to Elements on the left sidebar and click on Form. Choose the fields that you want to have in your form like name, email, phone number, and Submit button. Customize the overall appearance of the form like the gap, the background color, and the corner radius. I'll also change the color and radius of the button, along with customizing the typography of it. Now I'm clicking on each field and make them all required. By clicking on the form, I'm changing the typography style. From controls on the left sidebar, add a close button. Alright, go back to the previous pop-up and select the Not Now button. Go to Action on the top right. Open Action Type and choose Close Pop-up. With the trigger being Click, add action. Now select the Sign Up button and choose Go to Step in Action Type, then add action. When you click on Edit, you can see that it's set on the next step. Let's give this image an animation. Continue giving animation to the other elements as well. Go to the next step and do the same. Play the animations to see the result. They sure look nice. Publish the changes. Head back to your website to check out the result. And voila! The pop-up works just fine and looks good. Let's test it with a couple of examples. I'll go ahead and fill everything up to submit. Wondering where this information goes? Let me show you. Head back to Depicter dashboard and in Leads, you'll see the list of the user examples that I had input. You can download them as a CSV as well. Alright, that's it everyone. You've learned how to create a multi-step form using Depicter. Let us know in the comments if you have any questions. Ciao!